If you're watching this, I know your heart is racing. Your mind is spinning with, what did I do wrong? And how will I survive? Let me say this first. You are not your job, you are not a failure, and you are not alone. Today I'll walk you through 10 steps to help you breathe, rebuild, and find hope. Starting right now, let's take this first step together. Before we talk about paperwork or budgets, pause. Let yourself feel the anger, the fear, the sadness. This isn't just a job loss, it's a loss of routine, identity, and security. Cry if you need to. Scream into a pillow. Write a letter to your old job and burn it. Healing starts when we stop pretending we're fine. Shame will whisper, hide this. But you don't have to listen. Text or call someone who cares about you, not your job. Say, I'm struggling. Can we talk? You do it for them. Let them do it for you. I know it feels humbling to file for unemployment, but those benefits, you paid into them with every paycheck. This isn't charity. It's a safety net you built yourself. Let it catch you while you stand back up. Your brain will obsess over, why did this happen? Was it me, the economy, or just plain bad luck? Here's the truth. Some questions have no answers, and that's okay. Instead, ask, what can I control today? Canceling your video streaming services or that gym membership doesn't mean you failed. It means you're wise. Every dollar saved is an extra day of breathing room. You'll resubscribe when you're ready. This is temporary. Grab a pen. Write down 5 things that define you outside of work. Things like, I am a parent, or I am a problem solver, or I am someone who never gives up. Tape this list to your mirror and read it every morning. You don't have to punish yourself 24/7. Watch a silly movie. Dance to your favorite song. For 1 hour, let yourself forget. You'll return stronger. Turn on Open to Work, but make it invisible to your current employer. Add skills like resilience and adaptability. You're not hiding, you're strategically rebuilding. Don't stay up doom scrolling job boards. Your brain needs sleep to process this loss. Tomorrow, we'll make a plan. Tonight, let yourself heal. Before bed, write one tiny goal for tomorrow. Not something big like, find a job. Write something like, research 3 freelance websites, or text a colleague. Small steps are how you climb mountains. A year from now, you look back at this moment and say, that's when I discovered how brave I was. And at that time, I'll be there, cheering you on. But at this moment, if you have tears rolling down your face as you watch this, that's okay. Tears water the seeds of new beginnings. Stay strong, my friend. We'll get through this together.